Hello friends, welcome to B9 Studios. Today we are reviewing the Huawei Wi-Fi Prime 2018. Let's get started. It has a 5.45-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 720 by 1440 pixels and a screen ratio of 9 by 18. There was a charger, a user manual, an earphone and a screen protector in the box other than the phone. The Wi-Fi Prime got a 13MP camera and a flash at the back, a mic and a charging port at the bottom, headphone jack at the top and a 5MP camera and a self-toning flash at the front. And the earphone here acts as a speaker when needed. It has a 2GB of RAM and a 16GB of ROM, which can be further expanded up to 256GB using a microSD card. It has a 3020 mAh battery, which is non-removable. The Wi-Fi Prime is also dual SIM compatible. The SIM slot have two nano SIM slots and a dedicated slot for microSD card. It's running on MediaTek MT6739 processor and the Emotion UI 8.0 operating system, which is based on Android 8.1 Oreo. The face unlock feature will be available in this phone after the first update. And we have some battery saving options here. Also, there is eye comfort mode, which will reduce the eye strain. The cameras are good for the price but comes with a very less features. The performance of the phone is not really good. It lags sometimes and frame drops are there. The app animations are also not good.